Welcome back, Mr. Ram's Tech Hub. Explore, learn, upgrade. In this video, we are going to learn installation of Python ideally and VS Code. Let's open the Google Chrome, go to the any browser and just opening the Chrome. Type here python.org. This is a Python official website. It will navigate you to the Python official website. From that, you can download here. Now just go to the download section and you can see here download the latest version of Windows. You can go for the Linux or Mac, what you want. Okay, just click here and you can have the links here. Now it is about Windows, right? So I'm just clicking directly here, download python.3.13.0. and it is going to download here. You can see the download. The setup file is going to download. Just click on open the setup file. Now it is the installation window setup. In this, just check the add python.ext to path. Make sure to check that and click on install now. The setup progress is running on. Please wait few minutes, it will install. So based on the net speed, it will going to install. Yes, it is setup was successful. Just close here, click on close button to close this window and go to the search bar and just type Python ideally or just ideally. It opens ideally, which is downloaded now. And just click on your Python ideally and going to the new file and you can write the code here. The new file to write the code here. Now just go to the open the browser and now download the VS Code. Just type here VS Code. VS Code download and just click on the starting link. Download Visual Studio Code. In this you can see a download Visual Studio Code. It is a Microsoft integrated environment. It is an editor for writing the editing the code for different programming languages. We have here Windows, Linux, Mac. Okay, you can download any of it according to your requirements. I'm just here choosing your Windows. Click on this. It is going to install. Downloading the setup file. Yeah, just open the setup file. This agreement, just accept the agreement and click on next. Accept the agreement and click on next. And you can choose here where the file is going to download, which location you want. You can choose the location and it requires a 373.8 MB. Just click on next. Click on next and create a desktop icon if you want. Just click check this box and click on next. It will create the desktop icon and just install. The preparing to install, the setup will process it. Wait few minutes, it will the setup is going to install. Yes, it is done. And now if you want to launch this, you can check this and click on finish. If not, uncheck it and click on finish. And finish your setup and just go to the search bar and type your VS Code and open the app. And we got here a Visual Studio code. We just installed successfully. And you can change your themes also. We have themes here, dark modern and light modern. We have different themes. Can I'm just changing to your light theme. And if you want to change more themes, you can go to the settings and you can browse to the themes and you can go for color themes. In this, you can able to choose what theme you want. There are some few themes are there. You can check it. And before that, we need to go to the extensions and install this Python extension. Just type here Python and yeah, okay, we got it already. It's showing in the suggestions. Just click on Python and install now. Just install it. It's a Python extension. Yes, it's a completed installation. Just go to the file and a new file and click on Python file. Here we go. We can write the code here. And here in the Explorer we can create one folder separately and save in that folder. Okay, this is about installation part and thank you. Any doubt you can comment below. Okay, see you again. Stay tuned. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.